Okay, so test automation, people talk about a lot about test automation and how it has really helped in agile development. How do you guys use automation in testing?
In Dreamorbit, we are using Telric. It's a test automation tool. It's a record and run tool.
Okay.
So basically, automation is helping us by cutting the time to execute a test case. Suppose if we have automation test cases, it's executed in 2 hours. If we do it manually, it's taking around 4 to 5 hours. So it's just cutting down the time and cutting down the cost.
Okay.
As the number of hours for testing us will be going down.
Okay. And I'm assuming that if you are automating, then because the planned process, you can throw in any number or everything that you want to test. Manually, you could miss something.
Yeah, automation is helping us out in covering all the aspects of regression testing. Then we can do some browser testing as well.
Okay.
In the tool, we can just select the number of browsers on which the test needs to be executed. So we can just execute this test and we can just leave it. At the end of the test, we get a result report from the tool, which tells us a number of test cases that have passed, the test cases which have failed, and at what point they have failed. So it's basically freeing our resource, which can work in parallel on other activities. The resource can just run the automation test suite and can work on other functionalities. So in that way, we are ensuring that the delivery of the product is on time, because our resource is basically not stuck up.
Right.
If we are doing it manually, our resource will be stuck up for 4 or 5 hours. Then in Agile, if we have a sprint and we have some task in sprint, so if we have a resource which is divided in both, in regression and in sprint, so in that way, it will create a problem because it is difficult to cover both.
Right.
So in that way, automation is helping us out.
Okay. And so I'm assuming, how do you make sure that your automation tests are updated? So, you make a release and it does testing, but you probably need to add new test cases for the future releases, right? So how do you ensure that?
At the end of each release, we are pointing the critical path test cases, which needs to be part of regression, and after that we are automating those test cases and we are updating those in our test suites.
Okay.
So that ensures that we are covering all the features and that have gone in our release previously.
Okay, so with every release or sprint, the test cases are getting updated.
Feature that needs to be verified for each releases in the next iteration or next release. So we ensure by having those tests in our test suites for automation.
Okay, super. Thank you.
Thank you.